up everyone? It's Scales family here. It's been a while, but today we wanted to do something a little special. We have an incubator here ready to be worked on. We have completely stripped it clean and we will be doing installation here shortly.
All right, so me and Zach from Reptiles, who came over here to assist me in the incubator build. The first thing we're gonna do is heat tape. We got some big 12-inch heat tape. We're gonna line the inside of the incubator, top to bottom. Step number one. So what you're gonna do is get your heat tape, run it all along there. We're gonna put it out the bottom. And do it again on this side. Now that we got the heat tape installed, we're gonna install the fan for circulation. And we got this from Granger, and it's just a 105 CFM axle fan. What we did is we just used some long screws with some spacers. That way we get that fan right dead center in the middle. Ran the pipe. And now we got our shelving in. We're gonna have to space it out better once we get some egg boxes in there, but for right now, perfect. So in the back, the fan is going to be plugged into all-time power. It does not change. And then your heat tape will be hooked up to your thermostat, which we're going to install right now. Alright, so we have the thermostat 1. Make sure you get a proportional thermostat, not a digital on-off, because your temps will not be good. Thermostat right in the middle. Fans on. Yeah, buddy. All right, guys, so here it is. The Dr. Pepper incubator is all set up. It's running right now at 89.5. We're gonna run it for a few days to make sure it's good to go. And then we got that first female who just ovulated. Show you a quick little picture of her. But that'll be our first chance for urban camos. So cross your fingers. Let's see if we can get some eggs in here. And I just want to give a big shout out to Zach from Reptiles. I'll put a link in the description of his Instagram and whatnot. But super awesome guy, always helps me out a bunch. And he gave me the shell of this incubator. Also came over here and helped me set it up for the first time. So hope you guys liked the video and see you next time.